Hello everyone, good day to all of you. My name is Agustinus Borelian Shirai. In this video, I would like to present storytelling entitled Joker. This story tells us about social injustice, loneliness, and mental health issue in a society. Before I tell the story, I would like to explain what the storytelling is. Storytelling is a way of telling a story orally, entertain, inform, and deliver a moral message to the audience. Through the story, through the storytelling, we can share experience, feeling, and listen from story in an interesting way. Interesting way. Storytelling help listener understand character, event, and value in a story more easily. Storytelling text has three main structure. The namely is orientation, complication, and resolution. Orientation. Orientation is the opening part of the story. It's introduction, the setting, character, and background of the story. In this part, the audience know where and when the story happens and who is involved. And next is complication. The complication is the part where problem or conflict become to appear. The main character face difficulties, challenge or conflict. That make the story more interesting. And next, resolution. Resolution is the ending of the story. In this part, the problem is solved or the story reaches the conclusion. It shows how the conflict ends and what happens to the main character. Okay, after understanding the meaning and structure of storytelling, now I will tell you the story and title of Joker. The orientation. The story is set in Gotham City, a city filled with crime, poverty, and social inequality. The main character is Arthur Fleck, a quiet man who works as a hired clown. Arthur lives with his sick mother and suffers from a mental condition that causes uncontrollable laughter. He dreams becomes of becoming a successful comedian. So that this life will have meaning and complication. The problems begin when Arthur is treated badly by the people around him. He is beaten, mocked, and ignored by society. The mental health service he depends on are stopped because of government budget cuts. At the same time, his dream of becoming a comedian condition to fail. All of these pressures slowly damage Arthur's mental condition. And resolution, finally, Arthur can no longer control his emotion. He changed into a new identity. His, his skeleton is Joker. This moment show the biggest change from a sad and a lonely man into a rebellious person. Joker action create chaos throughout a goddamn city. Some people see him as a criminal, while the other see him as a symbol of rebellion against social injustice. Arthur is no longer ignored. He is finally seen and heard, even through violence and disorder. The moral message. Okay, okay. Now I will explain the interesting element of this story. The theme. The theme of this story is social injustice, loneliness, and mental health. The story show how unfair treatment and lack of care can change someone's life. And next is character. The character is Arthur Fleck or Joker. a lonely and a quiet man who later become a rebellious. Arthur murders. Sis loves Arthur, but he's weak and sick. And Murray Franklin, a TV host who looks down on Arthur. The setting for the story is the past in the Gotham City, and the atmosphere is dark, sad, and tense. The plot. The story uses a formal plot, meaning the events move from the beginning to the end in order. And next is point of view. The story uses a third person point of view, focusing on Arthur as he or him. And the moral message. The moral message is that we should treat people with kindness and care because unfair treatment can cause serious problem. And next, I will explain the language feature used in this story. The action verb. First, the action verb. Action verb are used to show what the character do. For example, is word like work, love, walk, attacks, and change. And next, time and place adverb. These are used to show when and where event happen. For example, is like one day, at night, and Gotham City, and finally. And the temporal conjunction. This word connect event in sequence. For example, is like then, after that, meanwhile, and finally. And next is direct space. Direct space make the story more emotional. For example, it's like I'm not heavy, is Arthur said. And next is adjective. Adjective describe feeling and situation. For example, like lonely, sad, angry, poor, and violence. And next is third person point of view. The story use he, him, and Arthur instead of I. The narrative sentence. Narrative sentence are used to tell the story step by step. For example, is Arthur slowly changed into Joker. That brings me to the end of the storytelling presentation. Throughout the story, we can learn the importance of caring for others and treating people fairly. A small act of kindness can make a big difference for someone's life. And thank you very much for watching and listening to my presentation. I hope this video is useful and easy to understand. And thank you. See you in the next video and have a great day. Bye.